Oh my gosh, guys. So I just got an email today that Aussie's mum, I think he's coming. No, false alarm. Aussie's mum and sister's visa got approved. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I cannot contain myself. So it's Aussie's birthday coming up soon, and I thought, what better way than to surprise him. But guys, I'm so excited for him. I just want to blurt it out, but I can't. Just control yourself, Victoria. So I've just called his sister up, and I've told her to keep it a secret because his birthday's coming up and I really want to surprise him. I am very excited, and I know Aussie would be just as excited to know that his mum is coming to Australia and his sister. So I'm planning in the next week that they will be here because his birthday's in about 9 days. I'm looking at flights at the moment. They will be here, guys. They will be here, and I'm gonna surprise my husband. So I'm gonna have to go drive all the way to Sydney Airport on my own, pick them up, and then bring them back, and I'm gonna try and figure it out. But you guys, I'm so happy for Aussie. I can't wait to see Aussie's face when they walk through. But I just want to give God all the glory, all the praise. Give him all the thanks for his wisdom, for his strength and his favor upon the applications. Honestly, I am so grateful. So thank you, Lord. Thank you so much. I'm so happy for Aussie. Oh my gosh. Morning, guys. It is about just before 6 a.m. and I had to leave home early today because Aussie was still sleeping and I wanted to get out before he woke up so he wouldn't ask me questions. I'm sitting in the mall car park. I came to Kmart because I needed to get a few things for Mum and Mia when they come, because I still don't have like small toiletry stuff for them. I've got a whole list of things, and I have to do a massive shopping tonight without Aussie knowing because usually our shopping is very small. He still doesn't know, guys. He has no clue at all. They're coming tomorrow. They were meant to be coming from Samoa, from Apia to Sydney, but because of the issue that's happening with the plane, they're getting a new plane in, and so it's affected their flight. So I'm super tired. I spent the evening yesterday scrubbing my shower, the toilets, their toilet, their shower, clean. I'm going to clean their room. It's not messy, but I have a lot of my stuff in the spare room, so I have to take all of that out. And I'm just super tired, guys. The things you do for love. If you're watching this, Siaosi, I want you to know how much I appreciate you. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. I'm a very emotional person, guys, but I want you to know how much I appreciate you, Siaosi. There are no boundaries to the lengths that I would go to for you, and I appreciate you so much every day. I'm so thankful and grateful to have you. It's too early, the tears aren't coming, guys, but they're there. I just can't believe that we've been able to pull this off. Like, I'm so proud of his family, his sister, his mum, for keeping it discreet. They haven't told anyone in the family. Aussie is in the other room. I've cleaned out this room for my in-laws. He's playing Fortnite and I'm just scared that he might hear me whispering. Just give me a second. I woke up early that morning, went to Kmart, bought a whole bunch of stuff for them. And you have no idea how stressful it has been these past couple of days. Their initial direct flight that was meant to bring them straight here into Australia got cancelled because of the stuff that was going on with SAMOA Airways. And to be honest, I am grateful that they did do that, because the last thing I would want is to put my in-laws on a faulty plane after calling, spending hours on the phone, being promised callbacks and never receiving one. I finally got through to someone. We arranged for an alternative flight and it was confirmed. And then I get a email 4 hours later saying, no, it's been changed again. So there I was, like, really stressing out, and on top of that, trying to still keep it from Siaosi. So I'm driving up. I told him that I'm working tomorrow, so he thinks I'm working, but obviously I'm driving to Sydney. I've cleaned everything. I'll show you. So And I got them bath mats, and I've got new toothbrushes in the drawer for them. I also bought them new towels, which are in the boot of my car, and some other things as well. It is 3:30 in the morning. Well, it's actually 4:30 because the times went back. It's daylight savings. I've been on the phone to my in-laws because they're kind of stuck at the airport. Because it's a transit flight stopping over in Auckland, Samoan people are trying to say that they don't have a transit visa. NZ immigration website, it says if you're part of the waiver transit countries, which Samoa is on there, it's only if you're traveling back from Australia to New Zealand, then you'll need a transit visa. Okay guys, so I just wanted to come up and give you a quick update. I am super tired. Super tired. I've hardly had any sleep. So morning guys. I am so tired. I only had 3 hours sleep last night. Big shout out to my, I haven't done my hair yet, so don't mind that. But big shout out to my master planner partner, which is Molly Girl. So I've had to tell Aussie a lot of fibs lately about my whereabouts. He thinks that I'm at work and he keeps trying to call me because I think he's getting suspicious now. But don't worry, hang in there, bubby. Only a few more hours. It's 9:13 in the morning and I am so tired. Okay guys, I am finally leaving now. I am going to get there super early, so I'm just going to take my time. I won't be speeding or anything. It's only a few minutes past 10. Sydney's only 3 hours away, so they will get here around 3 p.m. I am still so tired, guys. Like, my eyes are so heavy and I still got work tomorrow. I just also want to note all of this stress that we've been going through, like me and Aussie's family, and he's just, you know, sitting there relaxed, toes twinkling on the couch, watching rugby with no worry in the world. And I've like felt like I've carried the stress of this whole world on my back these past week. Okay guys, I just got here to the airport. I had a long rest at the petrol station, the last one, and I feel a little bit better, just a bit nervous. I hope they got on that plane, guys. I mean, I should have a little bit more faith in my mother-in-law and sister-in-law, but it's hard, like, especially if it's your first time coming out. Super nervous. It's been a while and no one's coming out. Guys, a quick update on the flight. So they missed the flight that they were initially meant to come on, and they got on the next one, but it took a lot of crying for me to find that information out. I had to go all the way up to Qantas, asked them if they got on the flight. They refused to tell me, and so I shed a few tears, not on purpose. It was just like it just happened that way. And then she finally told me that they got on the next one, so it's just arrived. I am so excited to see them, and Aussie keeps calling me. He has no idea at all, and he keeps calling his family, wanting to speak to his mum, but I told them to stop answering the phone until we call them all together, because he's going to start putting the pieces together. So it's just landed, guys, and they should be walking out any minute now. Kalau phone, ngomisi ko ba? What? Guys, I can't believe they're finally here after hours and hours and hours of waiting. I can't wait to surprise Ossie. Ek jy doen met maar jy.
Ja.
Ben jy is dit met ons al?
Ja.
Hi, Mommy. What are you doing? Kukupenga uvakulo yo my.
No, for you, you can't.
USA are in again. It's Marcus Tupuola. The penalties, the decision to rest up, and the USA are out to 22. Well, you thought was going to
You ain't got no idea, boy. Oh, Marcano. Come in.
What get you one? That's what we yeah.
Oh, I've been so tired.
And then I make gossip and what you on body.
Oh, guys, we're finally home. We're finally home, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, I am super tired. I hope you can see the bags under my eyes. I have not slept all night. And I'm so glad that we're finally home. You're speechless. Have a surprise, Ossie, happy birthday.
Mama, you see the man move forward. Yeah.
Ossie's gonna cry. Are you gonna cry?
Can't believe.
This whole time, Ossie has no idea the stress we had to go through.
Guys, I can't believe this whole day I was waiting to Victoria because she said she's going to work. And yeah, now, yeah, thanks God. I'm so surprised, guys. I'm so surprised. It's gonna be a cry, but no. Thanks God for this. Yeah, thanks for my wife for planning this. For me, thank you so much. We love you guys.
Peace. Guys, okay, I know that I've said this 1,000 times, but I am so tired. I still got to go drop Molly's car off because she lent it to us. So shout out to Molly girl for helping us out because our car's kind of malfunctioning at the moment. But okay, guys, I hope Ossie really liked your surprise. Ossie, happy birthday.
Yeah, guys, thanks for this surprise. I'm so surprised, guys.
That's why I was like to you, I'm like such a good wife that time. You're like, what happened? What happened?